Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to master block zone puzzles in Roblox. To begin, understand that block zone is a special puzzle area often found within larger Roblox events. Your primary goal is to solve these intricate block-pushing challenges. Successfully completing them will unlock valuable in-game items, such as unique armor, and grant you access to exciting new zones within the event. Let's dive into the core mechanics of these puzzles. When you push a block, it will travel in a straight line until it encounters another block or a wall. Importantly, white blocks serve as fixed stopping points, preventing your pushed blocks from going too far. Your task is to maneuver each block precisely onto its corresponding key to activate it, often requiring careful planning for multiple blocks. To effectively solve block zone puzzles, strategic thinking is key. Always try to plan your moves a few steps in advance to prevent blocks from getting stuck in unreachable positions. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Most puzzles offer a reset option to restart the current challenge. It's often helpful to concentrate on correctly placing one block at a time before attempting to move others. For more complex block zone challenges, especially those in larger events, teamwork is crucial. Some puzzles are designed for multiple players, requiring clear communication to coordinate block movements. Successfully navigating these zones can earn you impressive rewards, such as the node armor pauldrons. Furthermore, completing these puzzles is often a prerequisite for unlocking and exploring additional exciting areas within the Roblox event.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.